Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to do nut bolt animation in Blender. So press A, X and delete, click on add mesh and choose bolt. Just in case if it is not showing, go to the edit preferences and search for bolt. Check this. Now add mesh, click on bolt. So this is how it looks like. Click on here and increase the thread length as per your requirement. In my case 10 meters is fine. Make sure that you remember pitch, that is 0.35 meter. Now add a empty. Let's scale it up. Now add again bolt, but this time we will choose nut. Make sure its pitch is same. Okay. Now a question is, how can I do achieve the animation? Some people will simply press G Z and rotate it, but I want mathematically accurate. Let's try to understand. What is the pitch of it? It is 0.35. What it means 0.35? It means when this bolt rotates 360 degree, it will move up how much? 0.35 meter. Let's see how we can create this. So first select this bolt and by pressing shift select this empty. Press Ctrl P object. So press GZ, you can see it's moving up. Okay, great. Select this, go to the constraint, click on transformation. Select empty here. Map from. So what I want to take the location of it. So 0 to 0.35. So I'm saying, hey, when z value is 0 and 0.35 and rotation to 360. Let's try to understand what it means. When z value is 0, what's angle will be 0 degree. When z value is 0.35 meter, its rotation will be 360 degree. But here's the issue: G Z. Notice it rotates once, not more than one. So click on it, click on extrapolate. So select this G Z. So you can see how it's rotating. The best part about it, it is mathematically accurate and you can do the animation part as well. So select this I location. Now press G Z I location. Now in that way you can achieve this animation. If I click on play. Now to make it more better, what we can do is select this T linear. So click on play. Now it is moving at a constant speed. Now to add the material, there are quite ways. So for example, like this and new viewport display. Make it little dark. Make it metallic. And right click, make it shade auto smooth. Now this looks okay. Select this and apply the same material. Go here, viewport, make it dark like this. So yeah, you can play the animation as per your requirement right now. So in that way you can make this as per your requirement. Hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubt or inquiries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.